Welcome to 6191 Rancho Mission Road, unit number 3. This 1-bedroom, 1-bath apartment is located in the hills of the Mission Valley area. As you enter the home, you walk into an open floor plan. To the left, you have a dining area with a closet space for storage. To the right of the entrance, you have an open kitchen with stainless steel appliances, beautiful white cabinetry, and granite countertops. The carpet in this home will be getting replaced with wood flooring throughout. You have an AC unit, and the living room opens up into the courtyard, where you have this great patio space with a view of the pool and more storage outside. Now we'll head into the bedroom, where first you have a closet right outside the bedroom for more storage. And in the bedroom, you also have another wall closet. The bedroom is big enough to fit a king-size bed comfortably. And when we go into the bathroom here, you have more storage space, linen cabinets, your bathroom vanity and shower.